User instructions. Product overview. Note: different models have different components. Please refer to the actual product. Adjustable temperature dial. For some models, the temperature control dial has 7 settings and 1 0 setting. 1 is the warmest. 7 is the coldest. Turning the dial to 0 stops cooling in both the refrigeration and freezer sections. For some other models, the temperature dial may differ. Please refer to the actual product for details. Take 581-7RRE0 as an example. The thermostat control dial has 3 settings and 1 off setting. Adjustable interior shelves. Gently tilt the shelf up and slide forward until the shelf has been completely removed. To replace the shelf, gently slide the shelf back. Defrosting. To defrost, turn the temperature control dial to the 0 position. Defrosting may take a few hours. You can keep the door open to speed up the process.